Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm ThangBK Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Prompt Engineering 101, Talking to LLMs like a Pro. Hey everyone, welcome. In this lesson, we'll learn how to talk to AI models, specifically large language models, LLMs, like a pro. Think of LLMs as super smart, but sometimes a bit clueless assistants. You need to tell them exactly what you want. Imagine a huge library filled with every book, article, and web page ever written. LLMs have read it all. They use this knowledge to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. It's like autocomplete on steroids. Prompt engineering is the art of crafting the perfect instructions, or prompts, to get the best possible response from an LLM. It's like giving very specific directions to that slightly clueless assistant. The better your prompt, the better the result. Think of a prompt as having three main parts. 1. Context. Asterisk sets the stage. You are a helpful AI assistant, or summarize this document. 2. Instruction. Asterisk what you want the LLM to do. Translate this into French, or write a poem about. 3. Input. The information to work with. This could be a question, a piece of text, or even just a topic. Let's say we want the LLM to write a short story. A bad prompt might be, write a story. A better prompt would be, you are a science fiction writer. Write a short story about a robot that learns to love. See how much more specific the second prompt is? Here are a few basic tips for better prompts. Be specific. The more detail, the better. Provide examples. Asterisk show the LLM what you want with examples. Specify format. Asterisk ask for output in a specific format, e.g., JSON, bullet points. Define the tone. Write in a friendly tone, or write in a professional tone. Prompt engineering is all about experimentation. Try different prompts, see what works best, and refine your approach. It's like debugging code. You might not get it right the first time, but you learn as you go. Now it's your turn. Play around with different LLMs and prompts. There are many free and paid options available. Don't be afraid to get creative and see what you can create. Happy prompting! Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.